Nasaan sa Biblia ang pagrorosaryo?
Dating anti-Catholic, Catholic na ngayon. Pakinggan ang kanyang paliwanag.
Alam nyo, when I was still an anti-Catholic Protestant, I asked my mom to burn the statues of the saints, including the rosary, because I thought they're contradicting the scriptures. Pero alam nyo mga kaibigan, ang salitang Trinity at ang salitang Bible mismo ay hindi rin natin makikita sa Bible, but it doesn't mean they are not biblical or contradicting scriptures. Ang mga dasal po na ating dinarasal sa rosary ay nasa Luke chapter 1 verse 28 and Luke chapter 1 verse 42, at ang mga misteryo sa buhay ng ating Panginoong Hesukristo na ating pinagninilayan kasama ng Mahal na Birheng Maria ay matatagpuan din natin sa Ebanghelyo. Ang rosaryo po ay hindi tungkol kay Maria. Think of it as talking to Mary, who is alive and who can hear us and who can pray for us, and asking her to help us deepen our relationship and understanding of the different mysteries